Hello everyone and welcome to Shada Cook. Our today's recipe is Kadhai Paneer. This is very popular in India and is a very mouth-watering recipe. And today we are sharing a very easy recipe which is very easy to make and is very quick. In just few steps you will have your Kadhai Paneer. So let's start. So first we are going to start with adding butter. Butter gives a very nice flavor. To this we are going to add this paste we have made. In this we have tomato, onion, ginger, garlic and green chili. We have grinded all these vegetables together to make a fine paste. This makes the recipe very much easier and also saves your cooking time. So butter is all melted. We are going to be adding this paste. And this instantly gives it a very nice aroma and a very nice flavor like you have one in restaurants. So this paste has been cooked properly. You can see it has left the oil on the top. So this means the paste is cooked properly. Now we are going to be adding in the spices. First we are adding about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, and mix everything together. To this we are going to be adding Kitchen King masala. It gives a very nice flavor and it is very easily available in the market. We are adding about half teaspoon of Kitchen King masala and about half teaspoon of garam masala. Now let's add in our onions and capsicum. We have chopped them in square. Now to this we are going to be adding some water. So we have added water and now we are going to be covering it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until your vegetables gets a little soft. So vegetables are all nice and cooked. Even our gravy is cooked properly. Feel free to add some more water if you feel like your gravy is more thickening. Okay, so next we are going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of cream, or you can also add malai. And we are going to mix it well. To this we are going to be adding in kasuri methi, about half teaspoon. Kasuri methi gives a very nice flavor to overall gravy. Next we are going to be adding in amchur powder or raw mango powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. Now let's add in our paneer and coat your paneer with the gravy and let it cook for about 1 minute. So Kadhai Paneer is ready to be served. So there you go, you can enjoy your Kadhai Paneer with naan. I must say the gravy has really helped a lot to make this recipe much better and saving the time of cooking. And it also makes the cooking really simple and quick. So do try it and let us know your views about it in the comment section down below. Do thumbs up and subscribe if you're not done yet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.